Everyone, welcome back to WP Solutions. In our previous video, we learned how to create custom header and footer in WordPress using Elementor and Elements Kit plugin. Today, we will learn how to create a section and add multiple inner sections. By default, Elementor don't provide any option to add the multiple inner sections. So after that we will create a heading with some paragraph and we will add button and an image in our header section. So we will create a complete section today. So let's start. Just click on this plus icon. So these are the structures available for your section. You can select anyone or you can create your own. So I will go with this one. First I will show you how you can add multiple inner sections. So just drag the inner section widget. After that just delete one column and copy the parent column. Right click on the inner section and just paste. After that delete the one column of inner section. Now as you can see we have multiple inner sections. This is our parent section, this one is inner and this one is inner for this section. So like this you can add multiple columns, multiple inner sections. Copy this one, again just paste it and delete this one. Now you can see we have one parent section and we have 4 multiple inner sections. So this is how you can add multiple inner sections. Now we will create a header section. For this just duplicate this one. You can adjust the width like this for your columns. I will add an image for our header section. Here click on choose image, select on upload, select your image, insert image. After that just click on heading to add heading. I will use some dummy text. Okay, this will be our heading. You can choose the color. I will go with black. You can use any color code. After that just go to typography. For styling the font you can select any font. You can add custom fonts also. I will show you in our coming videos how you can add custom fonts in Elementor. You can give any size. For the desktop screens I will go with 25. After that you can select weight for your font. I will go with this one and you can use the line height if you have multiple lines. Now I will add some paragraph to my sections. Just copy the text. I am using dummy text. So if you have content then go with your content. Now I will select the font, give some size, select the weight normal, give some line height. I think this will be fine and you can reduce the size like this. Just click on the column to align it middle You can give some padding. Top bottom. You can also give a height if you want to give your section some height according to your design. You have three options: default, fit to screen, and min height. In min height you can add custom height. I will go with default. Just click on update. Now I will just add a button also. You can give any link, select the typography, give size to the text, weight is okay. Now you can give background color. I will go with black. You can choose any color according to your design. Now you can add hover animations, text color. I will add the text color black on hover, and I will give background white. Like this. Yes, you can add border, you can use animations like this. So select animations if you need: border, box shadow, padding. Just update this one. You can give this section a background image or a background color. You can add background like this. You can give any color code like this. If you want to add a background image, just click on this. Sorry, here you can upload. I will select this image, insert. As you can see, our image is added. Now I will just change the text color. Like this. So basically now you can design your header section according to your needs and according to your design if you are following any design. And you can give border radius to your image like this to make it look nice. Click on save. After that we will make it responsive on other devices. So this is our tab view. Just click on this and adjust the size of text. I will go with 18. I will give this one to 14, yeah, and add 18 line height. And our button is okay, but we can use 14. Click on this one to align it middle like this. So this is for tab view from 768 pixel to 1024 pixels. Now I will go for mobile. Okay, on mobile, if you want to reverse your columns, for example, I want to show my image on the top and my text at the bottom. For this I have to just click on this, and after that I think we don't have option in our free variant. No, we have. Just click on reverse columns on mobile, so it will reverse the columns like this. If you don't want to reverse, just leave it like this. So just change the text size. I will use 20 update. So this is how you can create inner sections, button, text, and background image, and heading, paragraph. So in our next video we will create another section with some slider, free slider, and after that we will create services sections and multiple sections on this page, and we will try to implement different things. So to watch my videos, just subscribe my channel and like my video.